The sizzle of skewers, the aroma of spices, the gentle crackle of fire. Barbecuing is more than just cooking, it's a sensory experience. And few methods are as captivating as the traditional clay tile BBQ. This ancient technique, passed down through generations, offers a unique way to connect with culinary heritage. It also delivers unforgettable flavors. Clay tile. BBQ isn't just about the food, it's about slowing down. It's about savoring the process. It's about gathering around the fire with loved ones. It's about creating memories that linger long after the embers fade. This primal method of cooking unlocks flavors rarely experienced with modern grilling techniques. The clay tiles, radiating gentle, even heat, transform ordinary ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Meats emerge tender and juicy, infused with a subtle smokiness. Vegetables take on a delightful char, their natural sweetness intensified. Join us as we delve into the world of clay tile BBQ. We'll uncover its rich history, unravel its secrets, and guide you on your own culinary adventure. Get ready to experience the magic of cooking with clay. The use of clay in cooking dates back millennia. Archaeological evidence points to our ancestors using clay vessels over open fires. This practice emerged independently across cultures. It spans from the Mediterranean to Asia and the Americas. In ancient Rome, for instance, cooks used clay pots called testums to bake bread and roast meats. In Mexico, indigenous communities crafted comiles, flat clay griddles, to prepare tortillas and cook various dishes. And in China, clay ovens known as tandoors have been used for centuries to bake bread and roast meats. The use of clay tiles for BBQ evolved from these early cooking methods. People discovered that clay's unique properties, its ability to retain and radiate heat evenly, made it ideal for grilling. The tiles act as a heat diffuser, preventing hot spots and ensuring consistent cooking. This ancient technique has been passed down through generations, often remaining unchanged for centuries. Today, clay tile BBQ continues to be practiced in many parts of the world. Each region has its own variations and traditions. All share a common thread, a deep respect for the simplicity and effectiveness of this time-honored method. Clay tile BBQ offers a range of benefits that set it apart from modern grilling methods. The secret lies in the unique properties of clay. It's a natural material with exceptional heat retention and distribution capabilities. Firstly, clay tiles act like a natural heat diffuser. They absorb and radiate heat evenly, eliminating hot spots that can lead to uneven cooking. This gentle, consistent heat is the key to achieving succulent, flavorful results. Meats cook through evenly, retaining their moisture and developing a beautiful crust. Secondly, the porous nature of clay allows it to absorb moisture and smoke. This imparts a unique, earthy flavor to the food, enhancing its natural taste. Imagine biting into a juicy chicken breast infused with a subtle smokiness, or savoring the rich aroma of vegetables roasted to perfection. Lastly, clay tile BBQ is an environmentally friendly cooking method. Clay is a natural, renewable resource, and the fuel required for cooking is minimal. Unlike gas or electric grills, clay tile BBQ leaves a minimal carbon footprint. Building your own clay tile BBQ is a rewarding experience. Connect with ancient cooking traditions. It's simpler than you think. Materials you'll need: clay tiles, fire bricks, mortar, gravel, shovel, trowel, level. Choose unglazed quarry tiles. Create your desired cooking surface. Fire bricks form the base and walls. Use heat-resistant mortar. Gravel aids drainage. Essential tools for digging and building. Choose a level, ventilated area. Dig a rectangular pit. Depth should be 12 to 18 inches. Fill with 4 inches of gravel. Build walls with fire bricks and mortar. Leave space for air circulation. Lay tiles on top. Leave gaps for expansion. Apply mortar to secure tiles. Allow mortar to cure completely. Section 5. Igniting the flames, fueling your clay tile. BBQ. The heart of any BBQ is the fire. For clay tile BBQ, you have several fuel options, each imparting its unique flavor profile. Wood is the traditional fuel for clay tile BBQ. Hardwoods like oak, hickory, and mesquite burn long and hot, producing flavorful smoke that enhances the taste of your food. Fruitwoods like apple and cherry add a touch of sweetness, while grapevines impart a robust, smoky flavor. Charcoal is another popular option for clay tile BBQ. It burns clean and provides consistent heat, making it ideal for beginners. Choose lump charcoal over briquettes for a more authentic flavor. Now let's prepare the heat source. First, if you're using wood, build a small fire in the center of your clay tile BBQ. Allow the flames to die down and the wood to turn into hot coals. Once you have a good bed of hot coals, spread them evenly across the bottom of the fire pit. Use a long-handled shovel to adjust the heat as needed during cooking. Remember, patience is key when it comes to building a good fire. Take your time and don't rush the process. Section 6. Mastering the art cooking with clay tiles. Cooking with clay tiles is a unique experience that requires a bit of finesse, but with a little practice, you'll be grilling like a pro in no time. Before you start cooking, it's crucial to preheat the clay tiles thoroughly. This allows the heat to distribute evenly and prevents food from sticking. 1. Start low and slow. Begin by heating the tiles over low heat for about 30 to 45 minutes. 2. Increase the heat. Gradually increase the heat until the tiles are hot to the touch. You can test the temperature by sprinkling a few drops of water on the surface. If the water sizzles and evaporates quickly, the tiles are ready. Clay tiles work best for cooking foods that benefit from gentle, even heat. Here are a few techniques to try. Direct grilling. Place food directly on the hot tiles for searing and grilling. Indirect grilling. Create a cooler zone on the tiles by pushing the coals to one side. Use this area for cooking delicate foods or for finishing larger cuts of meat. Smoking. Add wood chips to the hot coals to infuse your food with smoky flavor. Remember to use long-handled tongs or spatulas to avoid burns when cooking on hot clay tiles, and always supervise your cooking closely. Section 7. Culinary Delights recipes for your clay tile feast. Ready to fire up your clay tile BBQ? Here are a few simple yet flavorful recipes to get you started. Grilled flatbreads. These versatile flatbreads are a staple in many cultures and are incredibly easy to make on clay tiles. Simply roll out small rounds of dough, brush with olive oil, and grill for a few minutes on each side until puffy and slightly charred. Top with your favorite toppings like herbs, cheese, or grilled vegetables. Herb marinated fish. The delicate flavor of fish pairs beautifully with the subtle smokiness of clay tile grilling. Marinate firm white fish fillets in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and fresh herbs like parsley, oregano, and thyme. Grill for a few minutes on each side until cooked through. Vegetable skewers. Clay tile grilling brings out the natural sweetness of vegetables. Thread bite-sized pieces of your favorite vegetables such as bell peppers, onions, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes onto skewers. Brush with olive oil and season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. Grill, turning occasionally until tender and slightly charred. These are just a few ideas to spark your culinary creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors, marinades, and ingredients. Section 8. Preserving tradition. Cleaning and caring for your clay tiles. Proper cleaning and maintenance will ensure your clay tile BBQ provides years of enjoyment. After grilling, let it cool. Allow the tiles to cool completely before cleaning. Remove debris. Use a stiff brush or scraper to remove any food debris or ash. Wipe down. Wipe the tiles with a damp cloth. Avoid using soap, as it can seep into the porous clay and affect the flavor of your food. Deep cleaning. Scrub with water for a deeper clean. Scrub the tiles with a stiff brush and plain water. Sun dry. Allow the tiles to dry completely in the sun before storing. Storage. Cover and protect. Store your clay tiles in a dry, covered location to protect them from the elements. Tips. Avoid sudden temperature changes. Don't pour cold water on hot tiles, as this can cause them to crack. Inspect for cracks. Regularly inspect your tiles for any cracks or damage. Replace any damaged tiles promptly. Section 9. Elevate your BBQ game tips and tricks from the pros. Ready to take your clay tile BBQ skills to the next level? Here are a few pro tips to enhance your grilling experience. Control the heat. Mastering heat control is crucial for successful clay tile BBQ. Use a thermometer to monitor the temperature and adjust the coals accordingly. Experiment with woods. Different types of wood impart unique flavors to your food. Experiment with various hardwoods and fruitwoods to discover your favorites. Don't overcrowd the tiles. Leave space between food items to ensure even cooking. Rest your meat. Allow grilled meats to rest for a few minutes before slicing to allow the juices to redistribute. Embrace imperfection. Don't strive for picture-perfect results. A little char and smokiness are part of the charm of clay tile BBQ. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the process. Clay tile BBQ is about slowing down, savoring the flavors, and connecting with an ancient culinary tradition. So gather your friends and family, fire up your clay tile BBQ, and create some unforgettable memories around the fire. Happy grilling!